In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Coursera free trial before you get charged. Whether you've decided the platform isn't for you or simply want to avoid any unexpected fees, I'm here to guide you through the cancellation process. First, we'll need to access your Coursera account, so open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Coursera website by typing in coursera.org in the address bar. Once the page has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the login option. Click on it and enter your login credentials, your email and password, then click on the login button to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, let's move on to your account settings. Stay in the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you should select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. With the settings open, our next step is to locate the section that handles your subscriptions. Scroll down until you find the Purchases and Subscriptions option, or it might simply be labeled as Subscriptions. Clicking on this option will display a list of all the Coursera subscriptions you currently have, including Coursera Plus or any other course-specific subscriptions you might be enrolled in. Now let's proceed to the crucial part, canceling your subscription. In the Subscriptions menu, find the subscription that you'd like to cancel. Next to it, you'll notice an option to Cancel Subscription. Click on it and follow the on-screen prompts. Each prompt will guide you through the process, and make sure you confirm your cancellation when asked. It's important to remember that even after you cancel, you will still retain access to the content until the end of your current billing cycle. After you've confirmed the cancellation, Coursera will automatically send you an email to confirm that your subscription has been canceled. This email is essential, so be sure to save it for future reference. It serves not only as proof of your cancellation, but can also be useful in solving any potential billing disputes. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you have now successfully canceled your Coursera free trial without any concerns of being charged unexpectedly. Keeping an eye on your subscriptions is always a good practice.